Good afternoon. You are welcome. We have a question before us. They say 0.222 gram of a divalent metal is deposited when a current of 0.445 ampere A is passed through a solution of each sort for 25 minutes. Should calculate the relative atomic mass of the atom when 1 faraday is equal to 96,500 coulombs. Very simple. You can see that this question is under Faraday, it's under electrolysis, and it's under Faraday's first law of electrolysis. And you recall that under Faraday's first law of electrolysis, you state that the mass of a substance is directly proportional to the quantity that is passed through. So that means the mass is close to what? Q, where our Q is what? IT. That's one thing. And you know that anytime they give you question on electrolysis, first Faraday of electrolysis, the formula to use is what? M molar mass equals to what? NQ. Then M small m equals to what? IT. Where your IT is the same as what? Q. This your molar mass is equals to what? The number of charges of the element times the number of the Avogadro's constant. Then this is the mass, small m, is directly proportional to what? Your current times what? That is your, they call it your current times time. So let's solve it. From the question you can see our mass, our molar mass, we are looking for molar mass, so it's what? M is equals to what? What is our N? They say the metal is a divalent, so the metal is 2. The number of atom, the number of ion is 2 times what is the number of Faraday? 96,500 is a constant. Then you come to your small m. What is my mass? Mass is what? 0.222 grams equals to what? What is my I? The current. You can see they say I have a current of what? 0.45. 0.45. Then what of my time? 25. 25 minutes. You convert the time to, since it's 25 minutes, we convert the time to second. That is what? 25 times 60. That means we are going to have capital M equals to what? 2 times 96500, then 0.222 equals to what? If you convert the time, that is, if you convert the time to, if you multiply these three things together, it's going to give you 675. So you cross multiply. If you cross multiply, because we are looking for capital M, you cross multiply by making the capital M the subject of the formula. We're going to have what? My capital M is equals to what? 0.222 times 2 times 96500 all over. Please don't mind the way the thing is shaking. Just work with me. All over what? 675. So if you do it, your capital M is going to be, if you multiply the up, divide by down, your cap is going to be what? 63.5 gram of metal, 0.5 gram of what? M. So it means that the molar mass is what? 63.5. That is what atomic mass. You should know that it should be copper. Let's assume the molar mass should be copper, because copper has the molar mass of what? 63.5 gram. So when you have any question on electrolysis, first law of electrolysis, and you're asked to solve question on the first law of electrolysis, you do comparison. This is the comparison one. This is what? The first you are going to write, and the second thing like an equation. The first thing is what? Your molar mass is equals to what? Your N times Q. Your N is what? Sometimes they can say it's a trivalent, it's a monovalent. Trivalent means 3. That is 2. Mono is 1. Tetra is 4. Mostly we normally use 1 to 3. Then your Q is constant. Your Q is 1 Faraday law of electrolysis. Then your M is the mass given to you. Your I is the your I is your current. Sometimes they may not give you the current and the time. They will give you this Q straight. So you will replace this Q in place of IT. Then you try to make the one you are looking for as the subject of the formula. So make M the subject of the formula. Yeah, multiply the up one, divide by the down one. You'll get your answer. Please help me share the video, like and subscribe to this page. Thank you so much.